beta testing.
Yes, I was.
Beta testing.
Okay.
So let me share some more information with you. So here is a very simple example. It's a very simple Hello World C program. And what we've done is created a compiler called Alchemy that can compile this to Actionscript, and that Actionscript can in turn run natively right in the Flash player just as a normal Swift file. And there it is.
So this is the C++ code running in the Flash player.
Well, it's actually just Actionscript. It so happens that the Swift file originated with C or C++ code, but to the Flash player, it's just Actionscript. It's running with the same security model, same permissions.
So the compiler is converting C and C++ to something usable inside the Flash player.
Actionscript.
Right?
That's incredible. Okay, so can we solve each
Yeah,
of
I
these?
have this encryption problem. Is there anything you can do to help with that?
We sure can. So we took some OpenSSL libraries from an open source project out of the web and compiled them with the new Alchemy compiler so we can type in a password here and get a real-time encryption key right out of it.
And this is using C code running inside the Flash player.
Right, it's compiled to Actionscript, and the Flash player just sees Actionscript and runs it.
That's great, that's great. But yeah, I mean, come on, Flash, it's about more than, password encryption. Flash is about multimedia and exciting formats like that,
Yeah, that's right.
So for example, I've got this new spy camera watch, right, from the agency.
Spy camera watch.
Right. See, it takes pictures, but the problem is the pictures are stored in raw file format, right?
And you have a camera that takes pictures in camera raw format in your watch.
Yeah. But the problem, of course, is once I download these photos, the Flash player can't do anything with that file format.
Yeah, you're right. Flash player can't read camera raw.
So Alchemy can help you out.
Okay.
So we took yet another open source C library, and it's able to take a camera raw file, and I'll open one right here, and load it into the Flash player, rasterize it, and presto, there's your image.
That looks great.
That's a pretty scary looking picture.
Oh yeah, but we've got to share this with the other agents, So can we do something with it now? Could we save it into a format that we can send around? Maybe PNG format or something?
No, you can't do PNG. Flash player can't save PNG files.
Well, Alchemy is a solution to that problem.
Okay.
So let me show you. So we're going to click this, real time, create a PNG file of the screenshot, and another button in my Flex application. We're going to save it to disk. There it is. And so just to show you, we actually saved the PNG file to disk, load it right into the browser, and there it is.
Very nice.
So this really allows the Flash player to do things it couldn't do before. It opens up a whole new world of possibilities. So there are other very important file formats. For example, PDF files.
Yes.
Right, PDF are really important to the business community. So Flash player can't read PDFs.
Well, actually, with the help of Alchemy, we can.
You can.
Yes, yes, indeed.
So where did you find C source code for working with PDF files?
It so happens that at Adobe we have a little bit of PDF code kicking around, so
Okay.
we grabbed it and
Makes sense.
let me show you. So we've got a little Flex app here, and it just so happens I have a PDF file conveniently located. I'm going to load it right up into the Flash player, rasterize it at runtime, and there it is, right in my Flex app.
Wow, nice.
So that's a PDF file being read by Flash player.
Yeah,
That's great.
just Actionscript.
That's great.
The truth is, having this ability to be able to use all the C code inside Flash player is a serious productivity tool.
Yes, and we need productivity. We've got so many apps to build. We need, serious productivity enhancements.
We like productivity.
Yeah.
I've got another productivity tool I'd like to show you.
Oh, this is one that affects your productivity.
Indeed, it's
Okay, show
a
me.
great boost to my productivity. So we've got a little old school Zork game here taken from a open source C project and fully functional.
Okay.
Now, this has done wonders for my productivity.
This has affected
incredible.
productivity.
Nice old school game.
Okay, great. Okay.
Well, that's good. I mean, that's not quite my speed of productivity, though.
You like to have
Something a little bit more productive.
So yeah, let me show you something else, even take it up a notch. So we've got an air application here. And what we're doing is running a Nintendo Entertainment System emulator.
Now you're talking.
So this is running right in air in an offline mode. And what we've got is an emulator that is actually reading and interpreting the 6502 machine instructions on the Nintendo ROM right here in front of us. Right
So this is a C emulator running inside of an air runtime.
That's right.
Incredible.
Let me show you that it works. Very high performance.
Agents.
It's great.
Thank you, I think. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, great. Productivity.